To recover a MetaMask account, you will need to have access to the original seed phrase that was generated when you first created the account. If you have lost or forgotten your password, you can still recover your account using the seed phrase. First, open the MetaMask extension in your browser and click on the account icon. Then select Import Account. Next, select the type of account you want to import, which in this case is JSON file or secret recovery phrase. Select Secret Recovery Phrase and enter the 12-word seed phrase that was generated when you created your account. Make sure to enter the words in the correct order, as the seed phrase is case sensitive. After entering the seed phrase, create a new password for your account and confirm it by re-entering it in the next field. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to secure your account. Once you have entered the seed phrase and created a new password, click on the Restore Account button to recover your MetaMask account. If you do not have access to the original seed phrase, you will not be able to recover your account. It is essential to store the seed phrase in a safe and secure location, such as a hardware wallet or a secure note-taking app. Best practices for securing your MetaMask account include enabling two-factor authentication, using a strong and unique password, and storing your seed phrase in a secure location. By following these steps and best practices, you can recover your MetaMask account and ensure the security of your cryptocurrency holdings. It is also important to note that MetaMask does not have access to your seed phrase or account information, so it is crucial to keep this information safe and secure to avoid losing access to your account. By understanding the importance of the seed phrase and following the recovery process, you can easily recover your MetaMask account and continue to manage your cryptocurrency holdings securely.